This song is about freedom. It's about breaking through the cycle and getting your freedom. You know. Yeah, I don't really have much to say about this song, but I'll just let the song speak for itself. It's called Sistema.
Ooh.
Yeah, you're more than welcome. I mean, if you guys want to jump in and we'd rather play a full band. Yes, please.
Yeah.
So I encourage you guys to clap along. There you go. There you go. Play, keep going, keep going, keep going. Sino bang hindi nabubuhay? Pagtapo ng hangin sa'yo, tila parang isang haplos. Mensahe galing kay Bathala, at siyang hari na mamahala. Gusto ko lang naman mabago ang takbo ng buhay ko, kung mawala sa sistema nakasanayan ko. Nakasanayan ko. Sa umaga, nasaan ka aking pag-asa? Kumakatok ng mamasin-sinisip, di makakikip ng hadilan na babana. Umawit malalim ang laman ng isip ko, may sinasabi ako na pinakinggan mo ba ang mensaheng ito? Gusto ko lang naman mabago ang takbo ng buhay ko, kung mawala sa sistema nakasanayan ko. Nakasanayan ko. 1, 2, 3, hey, let me tell you something. You don't know what I'm gonna use for attention to those in my throat. Just tell me when you're ready, I'm about to tell a story to forget. Take it easy, you just gotta stay steady. It's not to get crazy in this room, where reality and fantasy collaborating music all works. Welcome to my world of music and poetry or words. I raise by my lyrical ability. Music is my passion, and playing my own songs for dedication and devotion. This is where I belong. I know I'm not wrong, cause this is how we get along. Music is the only reason why I'm strong. I play the guitar when settling bars, so I'm still fine like a Russian superstar. Oh, that's the only reason why I made this far, but the way it works with me is really bizarre. But that's okay, that's how we can make. He wants me to bear you trust his sweat. So I always say, please show me the way, and show me the life, cause this is wonderful. What else can I say? How are you, by the way? I'm almost done with the answer, are you blown away? So if I may, please find me saying we left to me all the way. Unfortunately, it's time for me to say goodbye to Gusto ko lang naman magbago ang takbo ng buhay. bass guitar is Max. Cousin Anthony on the guitar and on the drums.
Roy, that's Roy.
Roy.
Yeah. Still cousins. Still cousins.
They're the cousins of the cousins.